What's up everybody, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for the brand new Galaxy S20. Now I did have a dummy unit coming to me, but unfortunately some circumstances arose and the dummy unit was not able to get to me in time for this review, but I will do another review showing you guys how it fits on the phone once I get that to me. So for right now, we have these cases right here. They are made by Supcase. There are some cases that do give you some really good protection, and then some other cases that give you total protection. So if you took your phone and kind of threw it across the room, you wouldn't have to worry about any damage coming to your phone. Now, whether or not you are a minimalist, you like to keep your phone, not that bulky, to the people who want to totally protect their phone from pretty much anything, Supcase has a variety of different cases for your Galaxy S20. I have some cases right here that will give you some good protection and keep your phone as thin as possible. And we also have some cases here for, like I said, for people who want to totally encompass their phone and give you that best protection possible. These are also military drop tested, so you know that your phone is going to be protected once you put them in the case. I'm pretty excited to show you guys what kind of cases we have for the Galaxy S20. Okay, so here is the normal case for the Galaxy S20. It's their UB style line. This particular one is purple. This is what it looks like when you get it. Let's see what you get inside here. Okay. So here is the case itself. It's got that nice rubber edge. It's got the clear backing on it. It's nice and hard plastic. It's got that, looks like the protector for the camera itself. There's your buttons on the side here, your power button, your volume buttons, the mic on the top, nothing on the left side, and then your cutouts for your charging cable and your speaker and your other mic. So as you can see, it's just a little bit curved here, and I'm sure it gives a nice lip on the top and the bottom to give your screen protection. So when you put it face down, your screen doesn't actually touch the ground. So that is the purple one. Here we have a black style, which I personally like myself. It's got, looks like a little cutout here for like a little lanyard. And then we have the blue. It's got that dark blue with the nice inlaid light blue color. So again, that is their UB style case. So now we're going to be looking at their UB Pro cases. Now this case is definitely more substantial. It's going to give you the best protection you can get for your phone, and it also comes with a belt clip. So that's super nice, and it has like a little built-in stand. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. This is the metallic blue, which looks pretty nice. So on the package here, it says, before you open the package, enter the link to watch how to install this on your phone. So you can see here's the belt clip. The case is pretty nice. It's not super bulky, but it has some nice protection on it, as I'll show you as this rotates. And we'll take the case out of here, and here's a little instruction manual on how to install your phone. So this particular one does not have the plastic cover for the screen, but it does look like it offers some really good edge protection. You can always get a glass screen protector and put it on your phone. Now, as far as the internals go, this is a nice soft rubber, and it's very protected on the inside here. Now the edges are also well protected. You got the nice buttons. They have your power button and your volume buttons there, and then the cutouts for your mic, speaker, and your charging port here. So this is covered as well. Keep everything really nice. It's got a nice feel in the hand. Like I said, it's not super bulky. It's fairly thin, but it still has some really good protection to it. And then as far as the stand, you just pull up on this, And then it can stand up for you. So if you want to watch a movie or Skype with somebody, something like that, you can put it in landscape or portrait mode, either way. Super nice. This is probably good if you're Skyping with somebody, or you just want to have it up on your desk so you can see all your notifications and everything. It's really nice. I really like the fact that they made this not so bulky, but it still gives you really good edge protection. And then to install your phone, you need to pull out this inner ring, put your phone in, and then put the ring back on. So I'll take this out so you can see. Okay, so here we go. Once you pull this out, you're going to want to start with this little edge here. It's got like a little extra notch cut out. And then you just slowly pull this out. You put your phone in here, and then you put your top back over your phone, and then just push everything back in. And it's that easy. I think the UB Pro is probably going to be one of my favorite cases for the Galaxy S20. So that is the metallic blue. So here is the black version. It's got an all black inlay as well as a black case. And here we have the purple, which is probably going to be really nice with the ladies. That's a really cool purple. And it's got that purple inlay too, so that'll look pretty nice. Will probably go good with the pink version of the S20. So that is Supcase's Galaxy S20 case lineup. I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe because once I get my Galaxy S20 unit, I will be putting them in the cases so you guys can get a better look at how well they fit and what they look like on the actual phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.